So starting the test drive in this turbo diesel Sierra here, pretty strong engine. I love the pull you get, but I also love the sound that you get. You feel like you're in a true Duramax. Not saying that this isn't one, but it's tough, it's quick, just a very aggressive sound all around. I'm gonna take it on the interstate here, give it a quick pull. But so far, I mean, it definitely has power. I can tell that. Gonna give myself just a little bit of space here. Here we go. Yeah, really nice. Oh man, that is quick. Now I have adaptive cruise. Like I said, this one does have the included package, which includes the adaptive cruise control, which is always nice to have. And with the lane keeping system, all in all, one of the better driver assistance setups here, because you're still having to keep your hands on the wheel. It's not like a co-pilot or a Super Cruise or anything like that. But it is a good driver assistance system to just keep you on your toes. It's more of an aid as opposed to something that you can go to sleep on. But ride quality solid. And the seating position here is nice. I like how the hood sloped down. A little bit of intrusion from the dash here, but nothing that's kind of in the way of my line of sight because the hood is right there. So I'm very comfortable in the seat, tons of space here. Really kind of relaxed. I wouldn't normally drive like this, but I wanted to get that wider view for the camera. But of course, with it being a full-size truck and the wheelbase, relatively good ride quality anyway. But I'm just impressed by, with this having the cloth seats, how nicely it is driving. And how nice it just feels behind the wheel of the truck. Now, I do want to give one more thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Sierra today. I'll leave a link below in the description. And if you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click on that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information. I'll make sure the local dealers are finding to get you the best price on this truck or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. Now, if you buy from Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro, what's cool about that is they offer a lifetime powertrain warranty. So that covers the engine, transmission, transaxle. So that includes the turbo on the engine, the diesel engine itself, and this 10-speed automatic transmission. But for the price point, I do think it's a pretty good deal. I mean, you get a turbo diesel pickup truck and you know, a half-ton at that. So tow numbers are good, fuel efficiency is good, and some people just like having a diesel anyway. But I just love how this thing picks up. It feels a lot more stout than the 2.7 turbo, and I'd almost say it's equivalent, at least it feels equivalent to the 5.3 V8. I wouldn't say it's as quick as a 6.2, but again, all this is based on opinion. I don't have 0 to 60 times to back it up. That's just how I feel behind the wheel. But the way the SLE is equipped here, you get that engine, a few extras again that include the adaptive cruise control. Just a nice solid truck here for the money. In my personal opinion, probably one of the best buys I've seen in a full-size pickup truck. You have cloth seats, yes, but your driver's seat's power. Again, you get the dual zone climate controls, heated seats, the Google Assistant system. With the Google Maps edition, you have to have that subscription, of course, but still, I just like looking at it, honestly. And then having your auto high beams, lane keeping system. I like having the auto stop, so that's a nice touch as well with the diesel engine. And then again, just having this four-wheel drive system on top of that, I think a great spec again for this price point. But with all this being said, this is going to bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 in the SLE trim level.